To begin, slide the end of the drop cable into the drop cable stripper. Remove at least 5 centimeters of the jacket. Insert the fiber into the guide port of the cutting jig. Make sure the cutting jig is partially folded to open the guide port and allow easy insertion. Next, fold the cutting jig inward, press firmly on the two halves, and gently pull the cutting jig away from the drop cable to strip the 250 micron acrylate from the fiber. Clean the fiber with a dust-free wipe. Extend the cutting jig completely and place the drop cable into it. The outer jacket should meet the outer jacket limit. Unlock the cleaver and engage it. Slide the cutting jig into the holder slot of the cleaver. Cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber from the jig. Insert the fiber from the top at an angle to either side of the mechanical splicer. Once the cable jacket meets the limit inside, press the cable into the splice slot. Place a buckle into the positioning hole around the cable and press down to lock the cable in place. Repeat the previous steps for the opposite side. There should be a slight bend in both fibers. This is normal. Press the yellow locker inward to lock both fibers in place. Press on the cover to complete the assembly.